Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the measurements of the layers in Figma. This is a fundamental skill for any designer or developer working in Figma, as it allows for precise understanding of spacing, dimensions, and alignment, ensuring your designs are pixel perfect and ready for implementation. To begin, you'll need to locate the specific Action button within your Figma interface. This button is typically found towards the bottom section of your screen and is often represented by an icon, or sometimes simply an arrow, indicating that more options are available. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on your current view or selected tools, but generally, it's part of the contextual toolbar or a persistent navigation element. Once you've identified this button, proceed by clicking on the small drop-down arrow positioned right next to it. This action will reveal a menu containing various functionalities and modes that you can activate within your Figma project. It's designed to give you quick access to essential tools without cluttering the main interface. After clicking the drop-down arrow, a list of options will appear before you. From this menu, your next step is to carefully select the measurement option. This specific tool is precisely what we need to activate the measurement mode in Figma, allowing you to inspect the distances and dimensions of your design elements. Upon clicking Measurement, you'll notice a subtle change in your cursor's appearance or the overall Figma canvas, indicating that you've successfully entered this specialized mode. This is your cue that the system is now ready to help you analyze the spacing and sizing of your layers. The Measurement tool is incredibly useful for ensuring consistency in your designs, especially when you need to hand off a design to a developer who requires exact specifications. With the Measurement tool now active, you're ready to start exploring the dimensions of your layers. The process is intuitive. Simply drag your cursor from one layer to another directly on your canvas. As you move your cursor, you will immediately see numerical values appear, indicating the precise distances between the edges or centers of the layers you are interacting with. For example, if you drag your cursor from the left edge of one text box to the left edge of an adjacent image, Figma will display the exact pixel distance separating those 2 points. This dynamic feedback is invaluable for checking alignment, ensuring consistent padding, or verifying that all elements adhere to a specific design system's spacing rules. You can also drag from a layer to an empty space to see its dimensions relative to the canvas, or drag from one point within a layer to another to get internal measurements.